Hello guys, welcome back to a video, and today this actually might seem familiar. I got another Draculaura. I know. It's gonna seem repetitive, but I got another Drac. I'm actually going to check right now when I unboxed Miss Draculaura. I actually did not unbox her on the channel. I unboxed days out. I did not know that. When did I get my first Draculaura? I got her like the first day it dropped at my store. I do remember that because they had to get it out of the bag for me actually. Let me see. Oops. But yeah. I got another Draculaura. She was $13 at my local Target. Not Target, Walmart, my bad. And let me see. I'm trying to find this real quick. Like super quick. I believe they've been out for like 2 years now, actually. I got her during the summer, I believe. Yes. Okay. We're getting close. I'm sorry. Here. Look at it all. Wasn't that far, was it? No. Here she is. So I got my first Draculaura October 3rd, 2022. It is currently August 25th, 2024, so at least almost 2 difference. I believe this is actually the Chinese variant of her, which is why I got her. She has the prettier face, and I brought out my original Drac for this comparison, which is a core Draculaura. I didn't want to grab my days out one, even though they are super similar, just because her hair is styled in a certain way and I don't want to break the elastics. So let's pull her out. There she is. So like I said, this is the China variant, as I believe. I don't know which variant I have on the normal one. It is just the regular core face screening. Here is her bag. I love this bag. And then here is her cape. I love this cape. And I'm actually not going to take out these accessories because I already have them loose in my box. So they're gonna stay. Oh, she's actually rubber banded. Huh. Rubber band. Okay. And then her phone is also rubber banded. But there it is. I love these little phones. I don't display any of my dolls with them actually, but because I'm scared I'm going to lose them, so they have their own little box that they sit in. And there she is. I love how easy Generation 3 is to get out. But yeah, she has the super sweet face, and her shoes are actually different compared to the other one. So there she is. And then this is Draculaura's little Bible, but here is my Draculaura. You could see almost immediately that this Draculaura is different in the face compared to this one. Super pretty. Like, I like this one but if you can tell, this eye is actually smaller than the other one. But she just has a sweet, sweet face on this one. And here's her shoes. Completely different pinks. These ones actually look chunkier. Huh. Interesting, yeah. They're super different looking. And it's not just because she has a jacket and doesn't have her shirt, but yeah. I am actually wanting to switch their outfits so this can be my display, and the other one I can play with a little bit more. I love like making my dolls super unique to me. And she's actually like, so her headband is actually rubber banded in, which is so interesting to me because they have the holes for the T-tags and they actually rubber banded her. So take that off. Yeah, her hair, like the other one, is super thin. I don't know why Drac's hair is so thin compared to the other dolls, but it's very interesting to me. I would probably give her pigtails like the other one. Let's see. Yes, it does come off. Come on. I actually hate the cape accent. I prefer the Day Out Draculaura's outfit a little bit better. I feel like it's a lot more simple and sweet, and I love this corset top. I think it's very versatile. But this piece, I don't really care for. I wish it was like shorter. So I just take it off. And I am going to give, is it Dariana? No. Darcy? This is a Rainbow High jacket. That's all I know. I forget who. I know it's Series 3's red doll, but I can't remember her name. Alright. So then here's her necklace. Sorry, Drac, you're getting undressed for the world to see. Okay. So. Take the jacket off of this one. Put this top back on. I do hate that this top is actually super loose on her just because it's meant to be layered. I wish it was more tight because I just like the piece by itself. And that's why this Draculaura actually has Heather Grayson's undershirt, but I want to keep this shirt on Drac, so yeah. I love this Draculaura as well. I love her sweet, innocent pigtails that I gave her, even though I think this one is getting ready to pop, but yeah. And my original still has her ring. I was too scared to take it off, so yeah. A lot of my dolls actually still have a lot of their jewelry. But yeah, so she's gonna stay like this for now with her little Bible. I have a couple of these actually. My grandpa gave them to me. I think it's funny. I don't know why. Dark humor, maybe. I'm like, Draculaura is a sweet, sweet little Christian girl, but she's actually a witch. So, Which is, I don't know, is that contradicting? Because she's also a vampire. And like crosses, do crosses deter vampires? I don't know. I think it's super cute though to have a super thick book on Draculaura. I think it looks cute on her, even if it is a holy Bible. Oh, and here is Count Fab. I might honestly, I saw someone like put a pin on him and put it in there. I think it was Angel Loza, actually. Oh, okay. And I would like to do that, but I'm a little scared. I think he's a little too thick of plastic to do it without a drill. Okay. There is her hands. And then I am going to give her her necklace. And hopefully it stays on. There we go. Oops. There we are. Perfect. She's so sweet. Her bangs are a little messed up, but that's okay. So pretty. I wish she did have a darker lip, but beggars can't be choosers, so super, super cute. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.